What's good, guys? Back with another video, another POV for you guys. So we are going to do a rundown on the car. Single turbo 3D5 IS. I'm going to show you guys what we're working with. So we have the drag pack in the back. We have our GT4 style front lip, and we have an M3 front bumper. Single turbo M54. It says a 3D5 IS, so it does have the DCT transmission. She's sitting right. Honestly, I really like the M3 front bumper, and I got the M4 style, you know, kidney grills. But enough with that. We're gonna get on the road. We are running a 3.5 inch straight pipe all the way back. We do have a resonator. I was thinking about taking it off. Let me know if you guys think I should take it off to make this thing fully straight piped. It is on a quick disconnect V-band setup in the back, so I can take this thing off really easily. So if I needed to have it straight piped, if I go to an event, I could definitely do that. But let's get on the road. I got F1 playing in the background. You know, gotta have a little, you know, inspiration while I'm driving. A little inspiration while I'm driving. Super nice area right here. This is a new development area over here. So super nice houses, fat houses. Look at these houses over here. But we're not here for that. We're here for this car. Car's warmed up now, so we can get back on the road and start smashing on them. I should drift around this thing, but hey, we in a you know what I'm saying, we in a residential area. Ooh-wee. All right, right here. Sheesh. Get the tires warm a little bit. But I definitely need to get this thing retuned, because right now we're on low boost, so we're not even making as much power as we should. We should be making like 24 pounds, and we're definitely not even there right now. We're like 14 pounds right now. There we go. Yeah, right now we're, like I said, about 14 pounds. We're not even pushing on it, you know, crazy right now. So we still need to get port injection. There's a few things we got to do to the car, you know, to get her where she needs to be. But port injection is on the list of things. And I might actually do a little bit of tweaks to the exhaust a little bit too, man. I've been messing with this exhaust for a minute. But hey. This thing breaks the tires loose so easily. Oh, we got construction over here, man. And the downshifts though. Lewis Hamilton, Hey, y'all know about Lewis Hamilton, man. That's the guy right there, man. Who's your favorite F1 driver, if you guys have one? If you have a favorite F1 driver, let me know. This is a old tape back in the day, like a 2008. One of his early days in F1. But Lewis Hamilton, one of the guys right there, man. One of my favorite drivers right there. Man, I like how it has this overhang. It's like the tree's overhang, man. Just gives it like some of that like Forza vibes, honestly. All right, we're gonna take off from a stop. Break the tires loose. Oh my, whoa. I hit like a jump, so like the tires came off the ground. I don't know if y'all heard that. Man. Like the tires jumped, and it sounded hecka weird. That was crazy. Oh shit! Whoa. Y'all seen what that? Oh gosh, that's a Ranger. They say. Whoa! We gonna turn this way. Oh shit. what about this, what is it, my blow-off valve? Man, I've never had the car to basically make that noise without, my old blow-off valve never used to make that sound. This tile one, I've always wanted a tile blow-off valve, and now I know why I've always wanted one, man. These tile blow-off valves paired with the big single turbo, man, they sound super, super good. Super good. I have no idea why they sound like so, like, you know, I don't even know how to explain it, but damn, they sound good. Tracks. Got it. I want to see if we can run into another, you know, another fellow brother. Oh, there's a TRX across the street. Honestly, I do want to. I do want a TRX, honestly. I think if I do get a truck, I do want a TRX. I don't know why, but those things are so clean to me. They're probably a little heavy. You know what I actually kind of want to do? I want to throw a Hellcat motor into like one of those Jeep Gladiators and do like a crazy like kit on that, or do like a crazy build on that. I feel like that would be crazy, honestly. A Hellcat motor in the Jeep Gladiator, because the Gladiator is lighter than the heavy body of you know, of a TRX, and then do a crazy suspension setup to do like an off-road setup. I feel like that would be perfect. That would be like my ultimate build right there. Let me know if you guys would want to see something like that, like on the channel, like eventually down the road, because that would be a pretty expensive build, but that's something I would definitely want to do. Do some like off-road content too. Traffic over here. Oh, whoa, a little bumpy though. Super nice day out today, man. Super nice day out. That's why I had to bring the car out, man. If you guys are liking these POVs, definitely let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want to kind of see a little bit of a change up, let me know. But hey, as far as right now, I know you guys like these POVs, so I'm going to continue to keep making them. So oh gosh, yellow. This thing be pulled. I promise you guys, on 14 pounds, it feels like I'm making like 20. I promise you, this thing be pulling, bro. I don't even know why or how, but 14 pounds feels crazy. Like, that's honestly crazy. 14 pounds really does feel kind of crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, man. 14 pounds feels kind of crazy. I need to go get some lunch, guys. I have not ate. I'm hungry. Give the car a little bit of a rest. We're just gonna keep it a little slow right now, because hey, we have been smashing on it real quick. You know, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a rest. Hear my brakes? I don't know if y'all can hear my brakes. Brakes is like we kind of squeaking. Sounds good, man. I hope you guys like these POVs, man, because I can do this all day, man. Man, this car sounds great. If I take that resonator off, guys, it'll sound a lot better, but man, will I be waking up the whole neighborhood just by, like those pulls that I'm doing. Oh, I promise you, they're hearing me for blocks. I promise you they're hearing me for blocks. This thing is loud. Fully straight pipe, this thing screams like audio doesn't even do it justice. This thing literally yells. I promise you, you can probably hear this car for like 2 blocks once I'm smashing on this thing. Fully straight pipe. Like, that's why I had to put the resonator back on, because honestly, fully straight pipe, it's like I would be almost a little hesitant to smash on it because of how loud it is. So for right now we got the resonator on. But oh, see, like, it's like you can't do nothing. You couldn't do nothing. Y'all see what that is? Y'all see what that is? Like, that's why you gotta, I promise you, that's why we gotta have the resonator on, because it's like, man, it's like shit's too loud without the resonator. Shit's way too loud without the resonator. Fat pothole, another fat pothole right there. Man, they need to redo these roads, man. Roads is lightweight forked up. Look, roads is lightweight forked up. So that is my radar detector going off. It lets me know about those, like those speed traps. It lets me know about the speed traps, and then also if you know, if a boy's running actually shooting radar, it gives me a signal for that. So that's a super old radar detector that I've had for a long time. So somebody in the previous video asked what model was it. It's Escort. It's an Escort. I've had it for a minute. It's like an Escort 9500, something like that. If you guys go watch my previous video, I comment on what someone's comment, let them know what it was. It's like a $200 something what's it called, radar detector, but it definitely gets the job done. There's definitely some more expensive ones out there, but this one works pretty decent. So eventually I probably will upgrade. Honestly, they have like a $500 one. I think it's called like a Valentine. I think that one actually kind of gives you it kind of points in the direction that the signal's coming from. So if the signal's coming from the front, it'll have an arrow pointing towards the front, or if the signal's coming from the back, it'll have like an arrow pointing down or left or right. So it gives a little bit more, you know, kind of like insight on what's going on. But this one just kind of just beeps. Why are they doing so much construction? I have no idea why. No idea why. I'm about to go get some food right now, man. Boy is hungry, man. Boys is braking hard. Boys is braking hard, boy. You hear my brakes? I know y'all hear that. Oh my gosh, I got caught at the yellow light because of this fool right here. Wow, nice. Nice going, brother. You left me at the light. Ain't that some But if you guys are liking the POVs, definitely let me know in the comments down below, man. More content's on the way. If you guys have some suggestions on some video ideas you guys kind of want me to do, if you guys want me to do a build breakdown, or if you guys want me to do, you know, kind of do like a review, whatever you guys want me to kind of shoot, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys kind of want to see. Because as far as right now, man, like the POVs is what I like making, and it seems like that's what you guys like watching. So as long as you guys like watching them, I'm gonna continue to keep making them. We are almost at 5K subscribers. We are gonna do a giveaway at 5K subscribers, so definitely stay tuned for that. I got a lot of things planned for this year. Next month is my birthday month, so, and that's honestly when everything should be finalized with the merch, and then also we're also gonna be coming out with the just stay tuned. I don't want to give away too much, but next month is my birthday month, so a lot of content and a lot of good stuff's gonna be coming from that. So stay tuned for that. Definitely stay tuned for that. I'm gonna give you guys one more pull before we take off, because hey, I know y'all want to hear this thing. This thing sounds too good. that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. You guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. More content's on the way. Stay tuned. Like I said, I got a lot of things planned, so definitely hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. Comment down below some video ideas you guys want to see from the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.